Hello and welcome back to Data Simplified, and today we're going to be discussing the AVERAGEIF function. Now the AVERAGEIF can be used in a variety of different ways. I'm going to explain today the one that I'm using it for our example. So what we're going to look at today is basically the average of orders that have a quantity of 5 items on them. You could want to know this as a business, to deal with figures to sort of see if obviously as you sell more items, if the order value is decreasing, to see what would be better to do with your business model. There could be many reasons. So here we have some fictional orders, some fictional ages, categories, order values and order quantities. So as always, I'm going to scroll down and do my calculation at the bottom, but you can do it wherever you like. So equals AVERAGEIF, open brackets. First thing Excel wants to know is the range. So the range of data to look at for the value. So our range is going to be the quantity because we want to look at orders where the quantity is 5. So this isn't the values that you want to average, it's where you want Excel to look for the value of 5 for orders that fit that criteria. Okay, the summing of values comes later on. So select those. Next part is the criteria. So we put a comma. What's the criteria? Well, as I said before, when the quantity is 5, so we're going to put 5 and put a comma. Now this is the next part. It's the range that you want it to average. So we want it to average the order value when it's 5. So for this, we're going to select the order value. So remember, first part of the formula is where you're looking for the criteria, and the second part is what you actually want averaged. Then we're going to close bracket and hit enter. And there you can see we have £53.17, which is the average of all orders with a quantity of 5. Thank you for watching.